The Hereafter 6. In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7420, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that the only wealth one truly possesses is connected to three things. The first is what a person spends of their wealth on obtaining and consuming food. A Muslim should spend reasonably on food without excessiveness, waste or extravagance, as this can be considered a sin. Chapter 7 Al-Araf, verse 31.
And eat and drink, but be not excessive. Indeed, he likes not those who commit excess.
It is vital for Muslims to only consume the lawful, as one's supplication is rejected if they consume the unlawful, according to a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2346. If one's supplication is rejected, how can the rest of their actions possibly be accepted by Allah, the Exalted? In fact, a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 2342, indicates that any good deed rooted in the unlawful is rejected. Just like the inward foundation of Islam is one's intention, similarly the outward foundation of Islam is obtaining and utilizing the lawful. Finally, a Muslim should adopt the mindset whereby they eat simple food so that they eat in order to live and not live in order to eat, whereby they are constantly distracted by their stomach from more important responsibilities and duties. The next thing one spends their true wealth on is on their clothes. Again, a Muslim should avoid extravagance and waste, as these people have been labeled the siblings of the devil. Chapter 17 Al-Isra, verse 27.
Indeed, the wasteful are brothers of the devils.
A Muslim should be pleased with nice, clean and simple clothing, as this is an aspect of faith, according to a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 4118. Islam is not against appearing nice, but one must understand that this is easily obtainable without spending much wealth or time. Dedication to appearing nice must never hinder one from their duties and responsibilities. The truth is that the more one indulges in their appearance, the more they will adopt extravagance in other aspects of their life, such as their car, home and food. This will prevent them from using the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. This leads to difficulties in both worlds. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life, and we will gather, i.e. raise him on the day of resurrection blind.
The final wealth a person truly owns is what they send ahead to the hereafter by spending it in ways which are pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. This includes spending on one's necessities and the necessities of their dependents, according to the teachings of Islam, without waste, excessiveness or extravagance. This includes all the blessings one has been granted, not just wealth. The more one uses these blessings in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, the more peace and success in both worlds they will obtain. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
To conclude, a Muslim should remember that the first two things have already been guaranteed by Allah, the Exalted, as they are a part of their provision which cannot change and was allocated to them over 50,000 years before the creation of the heavens and the earth. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6748. Therefore, they should be moderate in seeking them and instead focus more on the last aspect. All other forms of obtaining and using wealth in reality does not belong to a person and will be left behind for others to enjoy, even though they will be held accountable for it on Judgment Day.